everybody, Cali Unicycle Dad here. Today I'm going to make some custom jump pads to put on my Kingsong 18S to see if I can get that bad boy up and over a curve. Right now I just kind of have Kuji pads on the ankles, and that gives me a little bit, but not too much. So I'm going to use stuff sourced from the garage because I'm sheltering in place. Not really well. Okay, so for these jump pads for the construction, we're basically using just two materials. One is hiking backpacking iso mat, and then the other thing is double-sided tape. Got this from the dollar store. Got a bunch of rolls of them, 99 cents. They start out pretty big, down to the end of them now, but this stuff is super sticky. And then the iso mat we had in the garage, and then I'm just gonna use scissors and a knife and I have tape measure, but basically I just cut a strip off, and then I cut it into another strip, and then we double-sided sticky tape them together. Okay, so here we go. It's a little ugly right now, but I just did it and I want to test it. So you can see I got basically 5 layers, and they go right under the toes. I figure I could probably put some like duct tape over the top of them to make them look better, but you know, for now we're just doing this to see if it'll work. So with that, and then you see I got my Kuji pads sort of on the side. Hey everybody, now we're gonna go ahead and set the tripod up and see if I can get up a curb or two. So let's go do this thing right here, right now. So I would call that success. Jump the curb with the iso mat and double-sided sticky tape. Cheers, everybody. Hey, if you guys have made pads of your own, lay the recipe down. Let people know. Put it in the comments below. Like, comment, please subscribe. If you guys have any questions, if you guys have any comments, let's hear them. Let's do it.